Hello guys, my name is Fazalam and welcome to a video tutorial, Unity 5 video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up cloth simulation in the Unity 5 and create different type of cloths like a skirt and a flag, and I'm going to show you how you can create double-sided mesh. Most of the Unity 5 beginners don't know how to do that, so we are here for this tutorial. Alright, so let's get started. In this window you can see here, this is my model of a girl in which we are going to work on, and this is the skirt of that girl we are going to use, and this, let's delete this, we don't want that. Yep, this skirt, we are going to convert this into a cloth, and now this skirt is already rigged. Let me show you. Oh man, it will move with the legs if I rotate it here, but you can see it's not like the original cloth moving. I just rigged it, and you can see it's going under this leg. I just rigged it with like this whole body normally, so this is not a great way to use this skirt. Okay, so I'm going to convert this cloth to the cloth. So in here I'm going to delete this. Actually we have our skirt here, this mesh, here it is, here, so we need this mesh, not in this scene, so we are going to delete it. Okay, now let's create a component, a game object, an empty game object. And now let's rename it as game skirt. You see in the inspector window, add component. Let's add a cloth, CLO. Now it's showing up cloth. Okay, in this window we need to assign a mesh which is going to be our cloth. So drag this skirt mesh to here. Here we go. Now let's see where it is. Where is that skirt thing? Where are you? Oh, up there. Alright, come here and place it to its right position. I'm using a completely rigged character and applying this skirt on it. If you wanna know how to create a completely rigged character for Unity, let me know in comments, and I'll make a tutorial on it. For now, we are going to simulate the cloth. A little bit up. Let's see. No, not correct. Here, down, up, bit, not down, up, a little bit, yep, and here. I think it's good. Wait a second. Now it's really good. Okay. Alright, so we need to apply a texture on it. So I have this skirt material on it. Where is here, I think. Yes, cotton skirt. Now just drag this skirt into this onto this mesh, and you can see it's looking like previous. Alright, so now we have to set this cloth for simulate like a skirt. Select this curve and temporarily disable it so that we can work on it. Our skirt. Select this skirt again and go to this menu, edit constraints, hit this, and now you see all the vertices are showing up. This is where we are going to set how our cloth will behave. Go ahead and hit this paint button, set this value to 0. What this does is take that piece of this cloth and make it fix at that position if we set this value to 0. If you set the maximum value, which is 0.2 means the cloth will change its position from the point a little bit, means 0.2 means something, so we don't want that now. Set it to 0 and now paint every single vertices at the edge of this skirt. Okay, now paint it. Let's paint it. There are too many of them. Be careful while painting these vertices. Don't paint another one from this front side. Okay, I think I'm done. This little bit left here. Okay. For now it's good. Okay. Now let's enable it again, and let's see how our cloth is behaving. This cloth will not behave exactly as we want, because we have to do some additional settings, which I'm going to show you. Alright, let's check this how it's working first, and then we will set this up to the scene. And here you can see it's simulating, and the piece of cloth it holds still there where we have painted the red dots. See there, that's what I'm talking about. Now let's make it more realistic by adding some colliders on it. Okay, and how do we do that? We have our rig here, and if you don't have this rig here, the rig you have created with your own character, or you have created the character with Make Human and imported this character into Unity, and you can find this a rig with bones. This is because you don't set the setting rigs to this. If the rig is not showing up, then go to the animation, select this asset, the model, and go to the rig tab, and in animation type just set it to humanoid and hit apply. My rig is showing, so I don't have to do this. The moment you hit apply, the rig is visible here, but you need to delete this and reinsert that model, then you can see your rig. In this case, cloth simulation with rigged characters, this rig is really important. So we are going to use this spine 101, because this is the middle bone of our model, you can see. Alright, so what we're going to do, drag this skirt right under this spine. So to make this, it's a child. Alright, now this is skirt, this mine's a child. Now when our character moves anywhere, this skirt moves with this character without any problem, but still this won't collide with our mesh. So to make this skirt collide, go to this thigh, because it's left side thigh bone, leg bone, or whatever you say, upper leg in your rig. Just select that one, and in this inspector video, add component, you add some sphere colliders. No, it's not sphere, capsule colliders. Here it is, capsule collider. Now go to the edit mode, edit collider mode, increase this size a little bit, height, increase its height. Oh my god, it's increasing it the wrong way. Yeah, now it's okay. Sorry for that. Again, edit collider, edit. I think I have to make it a little bit downward. Like this, yep, this. Make it a little bit down, and like this, and here a little, not here, a little bit here. Let's see. A little bit forward. Yeah, I think it's good, but we need to increase the height. Now that's good. Alright, in this left leg bone, we have to do the same. Add component, capsule collider, and let's copy and paste the same settings. Hit the right click on the top of this component, click on this copy component, and go right back to the right thigh bone, and hit the right click on over it, and this click on this copy component. Let's see what happened. This is not good. Okay, we need to edit this. Okay, let's edit. Increase the height. Again, it's increasing in the wrong way. Change this direction. Y 0 Z 0 x. Alright, here increase a little bit, move it forward, and we're good to go. Alright. So now it will collide with these area, but we need some more specified areas like this curve. So for this we need a sphere collider. Again, in this same bone, click add component, but this time add sphere collider. Alright, hit add collider, edit collider, and increase the size. It's I think it's not good. It's too big. Alright, I'm going to disable this directional light so that you can see easily. Alright, now it is visible clearly. Let's move it. Yep, that's good. Alright, that's good. Now go to the left leg bone and add component. Add this sphere collider. Alright, and again add collider, increase the size. Move it a little bit, increase the size a little bit more, move it a little bit backward, a little bit backward. I think this is, yeah. Alright, now it's time to set these colliders to the skirt. It won't collide until you specify them to collide with it. Now in this, when you select our cloth, in this down, you can see these colliders, sphere capsule colliders and sphere colliders. Alright, so now we have both of our colliders, sphere collider, 2 sphere colliders and 2 capsule colliders. So for capsule colliders, add value 2, and now you can add these 2 colliders to it. One, and just drag this component to it, and it will set up for you automatically. Now for sphere colliders, let's add in sphere colliders, if you add only one, this would be enough, because it will add an element which you open. You got this 2 component, you can drag the same. This time it will recognize that it's a sphere collider. And now let's check this out. Okay, so now it's here, you can see it's colliding with it, but we need more specific colliders in this area. We need some more, but now let's see if I move this, what happened. There we go, it's colliding. Control Z. Let's select this spine, no, thigh. What will happen? Nope, definitely not a good idea. Yep. Now let's increase this collider's size. Right, thigh capsule colliders. Okay, increase size a little bit more. Not that much. I think this is good. Okay, this right side capsule collider. Add some more. Let's let's move it towards inward a little bit. Yep, like this. Now let's see what happened. Here we go. Now it's deforming correctly. Yep. You can see a little bit fault over here, but that's okay, because this can be fixed by increasing the size of the collider, so you can do this by your own. Now let me show you, if I move this girl, what happened to the cloth. See, this is what we don't want. This is deforming too badly, like this, just because we have only one layer of vertices attached to a place. So at this moment it looks right, but what if she moves like this, oh my god, what's happening? This is not obvious. So to prevent it, let's see more settings. Go to the skirt, drag this skirt out of it, everything. Alright, now select this and make it disabled temporarily, and again edit constraints, again 0, and we have to paint everything in this 3 layers. So let's start painting. Alright, start painting. Actually, I'm gonna pause, and when I'm done I will start recording. Alright. Alright guys, so what I did here is painted these 3 layers completely with red, and randomly painted the strands with this green. Now let's see what happened. Again, drag this under the spine too. Okay, skirt, and make this thing enable again. Alright, now hit the play button and see how simulation works. Alright, this looks fine. Now let's select, move it. Alright, now you can see it's working more better. It's working like a real skirt. It's not going up and down like a crazy cloth. Alright, so we're done with skirt. So now I hope you have learned how to attach cloth to rigged characters. You have to attach skirt directly to the rig to make it work. Now I'm going to show you what if I add some animations to it, how this cloth will react. Okay, let's add third person animation. Let's add idle animation, which is given by Unity standards sets. Let's click here and add a third person control animator. Oh, sorry, I'm in the play mode. Let's get over it. Now, again, add this third person controller and play button. Now let's see what happened. Nothing happened. Why? What is the problem? My rig is, I think, I must have done this as Humanoid. Apply. Sure, it's taking some time. Sorry about that. I'm using free version of this Smart Pixel, so every 10 minutes is the limit. Alright, this is applied and it took some time, and you can see animation is applied now. All you have to do is switch from generic to humanoid, and let's see. This code is doing pretty well. From the back, yep, it's doing well so far, so good. Alright, let's get to how about a walking animation? Alright, let's add some walking animation. Walk, here it is. No, it's not working. Let's copy these walk to there. It's gone, it's moved. Okay, alright, don't worry. Now let's create an animation controller, and animation controller walk, and drag this animation to it. Humanoid walk is the default animation. Alright, now I'm going to use this walk to there. Before I hit the play button, I'm gonna change this camera's view, because when we start our animation, this girl will start running and we cannot catch her. So before doing that, I'm sure this camera will follow this girl, and you can easily notice the skirt. I'll drag this into the girl, and this camera will follow the girl now. Let's see. Whoa. Awesome. It's working perfect. Alright, so we are done here with this skirt. now what? Let's create a flag, and then I will show you how you can create a double-sided mesh, double-sided mesh or double-sided cloth. Because in this skirt, this is not necessary to make a double-sided, because you cannot see you don't have to see this other faced mesh, but in the flag you need to see from both sides. Alright, so let's save this scene and save it as a skirt simulation. Right, now create another scene, new scene, and we need a flag. So to create the flag, I'm going to Blender, which is the software where I create most of my models. Okay, default. Now select everything and hit delete. Now let's add a grid. Okay, this is the grid, and let's move it to 90 degrees. Rotate and oops, sorry, rotate to 90 degrees. I think it's okay, good. Now let's scale it a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to go to the edit mode, and now I am going to take this. You can see this pivot little yellow dot. This is the origin point. I want this origin point to be side of this flag. Alright. Now let's set this shading to this texture software so that we can see the textures in real time. Alright, let's create a material quickly. Let's call it flag material real. Right, let's make it LED. I don't want that much diffuse. Okay, now this is not a Blender tutorial, so I'm not going too deeper. Now textures, let's say flag texture, and add an image, create it, say flag, again hit enter, and this is the resolution of the image. This is my favorite setting, UV grid, and it's created. Now I want to change this view to UV map editor so that I can see my UV unwrapping here and texture. And now let's unwrap it. Alright, to do that, let's hit button in this. Make sure you're in the edit mode and selected everything, and to make sure you selected everything, hit A to deselect everything, and hit A again to select everything. And now hit U button, and you will see this little pop-up window, UV mapping. Select this smart UV project, hit OK, and there we go. Here are the UV unwrapping, and let's attach image to it. Now you can see this texture is so showing up because we have selected this texture solid. That's why. Now bring it back. We don't want this for now. And let's go to texture paint mode and change our brush to fill, strength to 100%, and hit. Now change this brush again, hit radius a little bit. Yep, this is right, strength 100%, and color to only like this. Alright, so let's color it like this. I don't know what is this. I think it's a G. Yep, it's a G. Alright, let's color it anyway by all means. We just have to create a flag. Alright, color is painted. Now before exiting this texture paint mode, make sure you have saved your image. Let's save. Let's say save as image. Go to this. You'll go to your document folder, username, documents, and now project. Here is this clock simulation set, and here let's save it flag.png. Alright, and now go back to this object mode. Alright, so we're going to save this, save copy, and go to this area again, same path, documents, cloud simulation, assets, and now save this as, make sure your texture and your blend file are in the same directory. Let's call it flag.blend. Hit save. Alright, and now yeah, it is done. Let's close it. Alright, now our flag is imported. Let's create a floor. Game object 3D plane. Alright, position 0 0 0 0. Yep, that's good. Alright, and then now let's add a 3D object as a cylinder. Right, oh, here it is. Oh my god, let's position it 0. Sorry about that. 0 and 0. Alright, let's scale this like this, this. I'm making this a pole of my flag. Alright, perfect. Disable this directional light so that you can see easily what's going on. Alright. Again, let's create empty game object. Let's call it flag. Right, add component, cloth. Alright, in this mesh let's add one, set this grid mesh. Alright, we have it here. Position this 0 0 0. Right, let's scale it. Alright, this looks pretty good. Now material, here it is, the material. Let's add this. That's okay, kinda. You'll notice that this won't show this side because it's not made for two-sided faces yet, so we are going to do that right now. Now watch carefully. Double click on this flag. It will directly open up the Blender, and you can edit it right here directly. Go to this edit mode and make sure you have selected your grid. Now press Shift D. Shift D will duplicate this whole mesh, and just press right click. Don't press any other thing. Press right click and don't touch anything else. Just go to mesh and then normals, and then hit flip normals. And now simply go back to object mode and hit Control S, and then save your this flag in your documents folder. Flag.blend. Alright. Now close it. Close it anyway. Alright. You can see this textures are gone, and now this thing is showing both of side. If you still cannot see this both of side, then you have probably don't set it this settings. You have to change these settings to if import. I have settings selected import. You probably have selected this calculate. So if you want this both side mesh with the textures, go ahead and select this none and hit apply. Now our textures are here and this mesh is on both sides. Now let's add behavior of cloth to it. Alright, let's add this. This is flag. Now cloth. Temporarily disable this cylinder. Okay, now select this again and edit constraints, change the value to 0, paint everything in the first this side. Oh, sorry, don't do that. If you want to undo, just untick this and click. Right, let's save it. And now let's add some accelerations like X, Y, and Z. Means this acceleration means the wind comes from X-axis across the X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. So in this X-axis means here and here. We want negative X-axis acceleration. So let's do this. And Y. Yes, we want Y because it uses the gravity, so all the cloth will goes down and down. So we don't want that. We want flag to flow like a flag. Alright, so a positive acceleration towards Y, and we want some Z acceleration a little bit to make it feel like flag. Right, enable it again and hit play. Let's see what happens. Alright, pretty good, but it's really slow. Let's add some more accelerations, like random accelerations. You can add these accelerations. The wind will come randomly so that the effect will glow up. Hit 2, 2, 2. There you go. See this speed increased. Again, you can increase its speed. Let's do that. Yep, here we go. and a little bit this more. Here we go. Maybe more random accelerations. Yep. Here we go. Flag. Now you know how to create double-sided mesh. You can use this settings to apply on any of this mesh, your character, your object, or anything you want to be double-sided, and this will work. Alright, now let's save this project. Control now save. Let's call it flag simulation. Hit enter. Alright, we have learned how to create a cloth, how to set up a cloth simulation, and with the two different examples, and we learned how to make a mesh double-sided. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you like this video, hit a like and subscribe my channel. I will create more Unity 5 tutorials. In the next video I will show you how to create grasses without this default grass system of Unity, and these grass will looks more realistic than those billboards types. So I hope you guys subscribe my channel. Alright, thanks for watching. See you